How to add fades and transitions to audio clips in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and select the audio clip you want to work on in the timeline. To add a fade in, hover your mouse over the beginning of the audio clip until you see a small white handle appear, then click and drag that handle inward to create a smooth fade in effect. For fade out, do the same at the end of the clip by dragging the white handle inward, which creates a gradual fade out. The longer you drag the handles, the more gradual the fade will be, giving you full control over how the audio enters and exits. Next, to apply the transitions, go to the Effects panel and select Audio Transitions. Here you will see several crossfade transitions available. Select Crossfade 0 dB, which is the most commonly used transition for blending two audio clips. Make sure the clips overlap slightly in the timeline before dragging this transition onto the cut between them. This will blend the audio from one clip into the next smoothly, eliminating any harsh cuts or jumps in the sound. You can also fine-tune the transition by clicking on it and adjusting its properties in the inspector panel, such as the duration and more. Remember to preview your changes by playing back the timeline and make any necessary adjustments to the fade lengths or transition settings until it sounds just right for your project. And that's it. Now you know how to add fades and transitions to audio clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.